Now on to our special segment. We are asking the question, is this the most intelligent car ever to hit the road? Well, Mercedes-Benz claims exactly that with the launch of the all-new CLA. Built on the brand new modular architecture or MMA, this isn't just a new model. It features groundbreaking 800-volt charging system that promises 400 kilometers of range in just 20 minutes, to an operating system powered by NVIDIA that rivals the processing power of a supercomputer. I'm getting behind the wheel of the striking maroon CLA 250 Plus in a comprehensive real-world drive. Today I'm driving the all-new Mercedes CLA 250 Plus. Now Mercedes is calling this vehicle its most intelligent car yet, because it's been developed and presented to you on Mercedes' all-new platform. So today I'm going to find out whether it lives up or delivers on its promise or not. Now the new Mercedes CLA 250 Plus in fact has a all-new technology platform, Mercedes' own MMA architecture, which is the Mercedes modular architecture. Along with that, they have their own operating system for this particular vehicle and 800-volt electric. Some of the features usually reserved for luxury vehicles is what Mercedes is bringing to this entry-level CLA. This is the first vehicle built on the company's new Mercedes modular architecture or MMA, designed from the outset for both electric and hybrid powertrains. The platform brings a longer wheelbase, improved packaging and focus on efficiency, allowing Mercedes to extract significantly more range from every kilowatt hour of battery capacity. Now, CLA, in fact, is the first Mercedes to run on Mercedes' own MB.OS. And I have tried using it, the user interface. I loved it. In fact, some of the interactions that you're doing with your car, it can, in fact, pull information from other third-party AI apps like Gemini or ChatGPT for that matter. So the conversations that you're having with a car feel more than just, like voice commands that you give to your usual regular vehicles. It feels like an interaction that you're having with your car. The new generation MB.UX interface combines navigation from Google Maps, AI-powered voice assistants, and a graphics engine developed using technology from the gaming world. Under the skin, the CLA debuts an 85.5 kilowatt battery paired with an 800-volt electric system. The architecture supports charging speeds of up to 320 kilowatt, allowing hundreds of kilometers of range to be added during a short charging stop. Mercedes claims a WLTP driving range of up to 792 kilometers, making it one of the longest range electric vehicles currently entering production. Well, I'm driving the all-new Mercedes CLA 250 Plus. The headline number is that this electric vehicle comes with a mileage of up to 800 kilometers on single charge and can in fact take you quite the distance in just 20 minutes of charging. What is inside the vehicle? Well, as soon as I started it, this, in fact, vehicle doesn't feel like a car, it feels like a device. Being a tech reviewer for such a long time, I'm just feeling like this is a vehicle in which I feel like I'm sitting inside a computer. And what better place to test the range, the smoothness of this particular electric vehicle by Mercedes is the best place, in fact, to test it is by taking it on Atal Setu. So let's go. Another unusual feature is a two-speed transmission mounted on the rear axle. The first ratio is tuned for stronger acceleration in urban driving, while the second priority is efficiency and high-speed cruising, a technology more commonly associated with high-performance EVs. The design is evolutionary, but there are notable changes. A new illuminated grille made up of star-shaped elements, flush door handles, and a more aerodynamic silhouette, helping CLA achieve one of the lowest drag coefficients in its class. Now, Mercedes says safety is a key focus during development. The CLA arrives with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems that rely on a combination of cameras, radar, and advanced software processing. The model recently secured a 5-star Euro NCAP rating and achieved one of the strongest overall safety performances amongst the vehicles tested in 2025.
Now, as soon as you sit in the car, oh my God, it looks so plush. Especially the passenger side has this beautiful, Mercedes logos, the star pattern right over here. And then before you switch it on, you can actually get to see the kind of range that is there that you can drive for. So at 91% battery, you can actually go for 727 kilometers. Oh my goodness. That's amazing. I'm going to start the vehicle now. But before that, I also want to show you this gorgeous sunroof over here. It's quite extended. Now, honestly, if you ask me, not many people in India will be a fan of this kind of sunroof. But I personally love it because I love light. It can be irritating because of the kind of heat and humidity that we have, but I love it.
The panoramic glass roof uses heat-rejecting coatings designed to reduce cabin temperature, particularly important in hot weather markets such as India. Material choices inside the cabin reflect a broader sustainability push with recycled and renewable materials used across several interior surfaces.
Now, nearly after a century in passenger car production, Mercedes is adding a front luggage compartment to this particular vehicle. How to open it? I will quickly show you. So here, you have to pull this twice. It's open. And how much space does it have? I'm going to show you. It's a 101-liter trunk compartment that you get over here. Very, very practical for everyday usage for your storage, and you can put in quite a few things over here. Quickly take it out whenever required. This comes in addition to the traditional boot on the car.
The significance of the new CLA goes beyond a single model launch. It serves as a debut platform for Mercedes-Benz next generation of electric technology, software architecture, and AI integration. More importantly, it brings features once reserved for flagship luxury vehicles into a segment where efficiency, charging speed, and digital capability are increasingly becoming key purchase decisions. Whether customer sees it as a luxury sedan or an EV or a rolling computer may depend on perspective. What is clear that CLA marks one of the most important technology launches in Mercedes-Benz recent history.
Well, with that, it's a wrap on the Motown Show. Goodbye from me, Shubhani Gharat, and the entire team of ET Now.